Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the accounting program preview, where we'll give you a rundown of the various program streams you can take within accounting here at McMaster University Continuing Education. My name is Monica Bilan, and I'll be facilitating the session today. So there's 4 accounting program streams to choose from, both the diploma in accounting and the certificate in advanced accounting will help you qualify for entrance into the CPA's professional education program, or otherwise known as CPA PEP. In addition to this, they'll both help you progress through various levels of an organization, from entry level to the top executive position in any type of organization. Our diploma in advanced accounting and finance and our certificate in advanced accounting and finance are designed for those preparing to write CPA's national ACAF examination. These programs are aimed at those looking to apply for junior and intermediate level accounting jobs in business, not-for-profit, government, as well as CPA supervised positions in public accounting. There'll be more information on the ACAF in a moment. Our accounting programs are offered in formats designed to meet your needs, availability, and learning preferences. Choose from online self-study, in-person, part-time, full-time, or blended. Our online self-study formats continuous bi-weekly intake, so you can start anytime throughout the year. For convenience, you don't have to worry about being present at a specific day or time. Log in when it's convenient for you. Those taking an online self-study format can either work at the course pace or accelerate through the course and finish ahead of the posted course end date, as early as 2 months and a day post-course start date. We advise students to anticipate dedicating about 9 to 12 hours per week per course to cover time for readings, online discussions, videos, and assessments. If taking an in-person course offering, you can choose to study part-time, the 3 hours in-person per week, or blended, a combination of in-person and online, or fast-track full-time equivalency. All in-person courses are held in Hamilton at our downtown campus. Learners can also mix and match the course formats. By completing one of our accounting programs, you'll receive a certificate or diploma from McMaster University Continuing Education. In addition to this, courses are completed under the diploma in accounting, or the certificate in advanced accounting can be used to work towards your chartered professional accountant designation, the CPA designation. While courses completed on under the certificate or diploma in advanced accounting and finance will help you prepare to write the Chartered Professional Accountant's Advanced Certificate in Accounting and Finance National Exam, so the ACAF National Exam. It's important to note that the ACAF program is being discontinued. As such, the program is being phased out. Students near completion of the ACAF certificate will have an opportunity to finish outstanding coursework and write one of the last ACAF national exams in January 2020 or February 2021. If you plan to complete the requirements necessary to sit one of the final examinations through McMaster's Continuing Education, contact us to review a study plan. You can learn more about affiliated professional associations and how our programming is recognized by visiting our website. There's no application required to enroll in accounting. Simply go to our website and enroll online, so long as you meet the criteria shown below. So you must have an Ontario Secondary School diploma or equivalent, or be a mature student, or be deemed an exceptional case. Please ensure you meet the program English language proficiency requirements if you're a new Canadian or an international student. You can refer to our website for more information on that. Career opportunities available to those who complete our diploma in accounting may include bookkeeper, accounting assistant, auditing clerk, financial report clerk, accounting technician, or accounts payable and accounts receivable administrator, just to name a few. Career opportunities available to those who complete the diploma in accounting or certificate in advanced accounting, along with their CPA designation, include general accountant, management accountant, finance director, portfolio accountant, controller, financial analyst, chief financial officer, chief executive officer, auditor, senior financial auditor, management advisor, strategic management consultant, nonprofit executive director. So regarding assignments and grading, each course is uniquely planned, and you can expect any combination of the following: so assignments, group discussions, quizzes, exams, case studies, and research papers to assess your learning. For online self-study courses, you can expect 40% of the weight of your final grade based on assignments and 60% weight based on a cumulative proctored final examination. Most self-study courses include instructional videos, and in some courses, we have created webinars in order to engage students with their instructors and classmates. These webinars are live, but don't worry, if you can't make a live session, they are recorded for you to access later. All online self-study courses include a proctored final exam worth 60%. It's important to note that you must pass the final exam to pass the course. With the exception of ACC 925 Introductory Financial Accounting, you can complete your exam here in Hamilton or at a community college or university near where you live, and arrangements are made here at Continuing Education for this if it's necessary. The final examination for ACC 925 Introductory Financial Accounting is administered online through Examity, a live remote proctoring service. Learners can work according to the course schedule, submitting assignments by specified due dates, and sitting the final examination on the final course date. For those who wish to accelerate through the online self-study course, you may do so by working ahead of course due dates, submitting assignments ahead of posted due dates, and scheduling to sit the final exam ahead of the course end date. It's important to note that although learners can accelerate through a course, one cannot sit the final exam any earlier than 2 months post the course start date. In regards to time commitment, the program can be completed on your own schedule, either in person, online self-study, or a blended format, which encompasses a mixture of both in-person and online. In-person and online courses take 3 to 6 hours per week to complete over the span of 13 to 14 weeks. Online self-study courses take 9 to 12 hours per week to complete over a span of 3 to 5 months. The biggest difference with an online and online self-study course is that you decide when to do the work every week, since you do not need to physically be in a classroom for 3 hours of instruction like the in-person courses. You will have due dates and timelines to follow, which are noted in the course schedule when you first log into your course for the first time. For the accelerated fast track option, the diploma in accounting can be completed within 10 months in person in what we call our fast track or accelerated format. Fast track accelerated courses meet twice per week over the course of 7 weeks. Due to the intensity of the compacted courses, you can expect to spend more time weekly in order to complete the courses early. We typically would advise to have 9 to 12 hours available. Many of our students take between 1 to 2 courses per term. You can take this program part-time or fast track. For course materials, all of our courses require a textbook or a course pack. Most course materials cost approximately $100 to $175 per course, but sometimes they cost more. Those materials are purchased separately after you enroll and pay for a course. Materials can be purchased online at McMaster's campus store website a few weeks before the beginning of each term. And in doing a search in the textbook area, you'll find the cost for each course. It is important to note that ebooks are not permitted in an open book examination. So I just want to show you our website quickly so that you know how to go and register when you're ready. So this is our main page of our website, mcmastercce.ca. When you come here, you click on programs, and the first one here under business is accounting. And we have a whole bunch of helpful links on our site here, so things that you can use to help make decisions or review courses. We have our course descriptions here, course outlines if you want to review what's covered in each course and the breakdown of the courses. We've got course outlines. Course prerequisites. So this is really helpful when you're planning out your studies. You want to see what the prerequisites are for each course because you do need to meet prerequisites prior to enrolling into a course. Our schedule and fees, I'll come back to that in a second. Instructor profiles, the admission requirements that I'd mentioned, and then we have the different program options here. So diploma, certificate, diploma in advanced accounting and finance, certificate in advanced accounting and finance. When you click on each link, it tells you what courses you're required to complete to obtain those diplomas or certificates. We've got a link for the CPA and how we've got links for which of our courses are recognized under the CPA. for the CPA or ACAF. So that's very helpful to look there if that's something you're considering. Breakdown of formats, what you can expect for the different online or in-person formats, transfer credit policy and procedure, information about carrying on to future degree studies, and some FAQs and careers, testimonials. Anyway, so that's just an overview of what we have on our site. As you see, we've got an Enroll Now button here that you can click when you're ready to register, or you can click on Schedule fees and see what we're offering and when we're offering it. So you'll see these dark gray boxes. Those are the online self-study formats. Those start every other month. And then we have the in-person in the white boxes here. Those are the in-person offerings. We have a few that were the blended format that's in the pink square there. And then a couple that are some additional courses if people are pursuing CPA designation or just want to take some extra courses. We have some online formats for that. So everything's there. Course fees, it's $698.92 per course. And then textbooks are extra. Only other additional fee is a one-time $39 activation fee the first time you register with us. Or if you need to schedule an off-site final exam, a proctored final exam, each school or institution usually has their own proctor service fees. So you'll learn more about that when you register for your course. You'll get full instructions on how to set up a proctored exam. So to enroll, just I'll quickly show you, click Enroll Now, takes you to this course search. You'd search by the accounting program and the program plan, so whichever one you're going for. Most people end up going for the accounting diploma. And then you can click Go. I leave everything else blank so that you know you're getting your full search here. You're not typing anything incorrectly. So you'll see for the winter is our next start date here. We have all the courses, core courses, specialist courses, and some of the basic courses. You can click on it, let's say in person. Read all these links here too on the left-hand side regarding prerequisites and textbooks. This is helpful to read before you register. And then you'll click select and then checkout. And then the next page will give you options of how you can log in, whether you're new or a returning student, and then you'll click through and your final step will be to make payment. So full payment for a course is required at the time of registration. So you're not paying for the full program up front, just on a course-by-course basis. So unfortunately, that's all the time I have right now. I really, really apologize to those that still have questions. I do encourage you to reach out to us directly, send us an email, call us, fill out a contact form. We'll be happy to answer those questions. And I thank you everyone for joining us. We hope to see you in our physical classroom or virtual classroom, and happy to help you plan. If you're not sure how to begin or what to do, please, we're here for you to give you a hand. Okay, thank you everybody and enjoy the rest of your day.